Hey guys, this is Mike, aka Prime. So I'm doing a video on Windows 11 tutorial. So a lot of people have been asking me how to use it, all these new features from Windows 10. So today we're going to just do a quick Windows 11 tutorial. Um, this is the very basic stuff. Like I'm gonna just show you little things of new features that they have compared to Windows 10, or like if this is your first computer, if you want to experiment like how to do things and navigate through it. So let's just get started. So as you can see at the bottom here, um, they move the window icon, the start menu, in the middle. So the start menu, if you hit start, you get your start menu right here, right? So within the start menu, of course, you have your programs. Now you can pin programs within this section right here, like your favorite programs. Let's say you want to look at all your programs. You go here and you scroll down, and these are all the programs that you'll get. So they call it apps, like which is applications and stuff like that. If I want to pin any of these in that first part, I'll right click on here and pin to start. So we'll get out of it and come, and then you'll see that your pins will all come here now. So this is your start, and this is what you'll right pin to get to there as well. Up here is a pretty cool feature. It's the search. You can search for anything on the computer, anything web-based. Like let's say I search cars. Well, I put cats, but I meant cars. Yeah, it'll search it up for you. Or let's say if you're looking for a document, you could search for a document here. I don't have any text documents, but you can search for anything, any applications, any programs. You can search within this search window. That was just like the feature that was on Windows 10 as well. Windows 7 kind of had it, but it wasn't as accurate as Windows 10's version. So this is the same feature that they brought over. Let's also go to this right corner here. You have your running apps, of course, in this little widget. Something that they changed. If you click here, this little window, it's more graphical now, so you can do airplane mode if you have a laptop, or if you want to turn your internet off. Projector, like this is if you want to project your computer onto a monitor or TV nearby anywhere. That's like sharing files. Then you have a night light. That's for the screen. Here's your sound. You can increase or decrease your sound over here. And then if you click on this one next to it, again, nice little calendar that they didn't have in Windows 10. Also tells you all the notifications you have. So you'll get a lot of notifications if you have any error messages that Windows comes up with. That plays a good feature as well. So you can close out of that. And then the left corner, you have your weather. So this, you have to sign into your Windows account, and then you can have whatever your weather that you want to put on there. Like you'll put your city or town, and then they'll show your weather. This is my weather now because it knows where I'm at. So it's 42 degrees, pretty cold, but it knows where we're at right now. So another cool feature, if you right click the start menu, you get these stuff, right? You get your apps and features. You can remove programs, power saver. You can, when you want your computer to go to sleep, you get your event viewer. That's more for technical people. Like if you have error messages with apps or hardware, you'll go to your event viewer. System. I like system because that pretty much tells me everything about my computer, what kind of processor I have, how much RAM I have, the Windows is running. That's all into this section right here. If you want to rename your computer, you'll go into systems. Let's go back. So remember, if you right click to start, this is how you get these features here. Network connections, you can see in here, you see if you're connected through Ethernet, if you're using Wi-Fi, if you want to use VPNs, you want to set up a hotspot, all that is within that selection. If you go back, let's right click again. Disk management is about the hard drives. It will show you your, let's just click on it. It will show you your partitions and everything. This is for more technical people too, so you might not even want to go through here. This is if you're more technical. I have 2 hard drives in here, so I have two SSDs, which are right there. You have computer management. That's more for technical people as well, but we'll just show it. This is like, yeah, if you want to set a task, if you want to reboot it at certain times, you have shared folders in here. You have your users and groups, performance. This is a real good one, device manager, because I always go in here and make sure all my drivers are up to date. If they're not, you'll get like a exclamation point. So let's close that out. Right click again. You have task manager. Task manager is very important. People should start getting used to that, because this under apps, it shows you all the applications that's running. Let's say something is freezing, you'll go to your task manager and you'll end that task. So like you'll end, like if I have Google Chrome, I saw this freezing, I'll go to end task, bam, go away. And then you want to monitor how much your CPU and memory is doing, so you go to task manager. Alright, so let's go back. Yeah, File Explorer, I usually go here too, because if I go click on File Explorer, it brings up everything. You get your desktop, documents, downloads, music, videos, pictures. All this is right here. This is where you access your files, your desktop icons, downloads. Everything will be right here for you. Now, let's go back, right click. Another important is your settings. So within settings, you have everything in here. Display, if you too light, too dark, so you have the dark feature, you can make it the light feature. You can change your brightness. You can do all your features that you prefer here. You have your notifications, how you want your apps to come and notify you. Like if you have Outlook and you want notifications, you can fix it in here. Your power, remember what your power mode I was telling you. You could change, like when do you want it to sleep, when you want your screen to go black. All that will be in this feature for you guys. Multitasking. It's more technical. This is if you want to have multiple windows, you can do multitasking and stuff like that. Storage will show you your storage of your hard drive and see how much space you have left on them, and it'll show you what you can do to free them up and stuff like that. So let's play around with settings, because settings is pretty important. So let's go to like Bluetooth devices. If you want to add like headsets, speakers, anything, you go to Bluetooth devices here, right? That's only in this Bluetooth section. Over here, you can add devices like any other, like pens or like a bamboo or something like that. You'll add that device here. Printers, a lot of people need to add their printers in. You go here, add your device, add your wireless printer in, add your network printer in, or a Bluetooth printer. You can do that all within here. Cameras will be for your webcam. You have mouse here, you have pens, USBs, all that is in your settings. Remember, so how do we get there? Remember, right click, settings. This will take you to this section here. Not that, this stupid. Alright, whatever, you stay over there. Okay, so anyway, so this is, we're going to personalize. You can personalize the colors. Remember I was telling you, like, this is the particular wallpaper I used. You don't need it. If you don't like it, you can just change it. See, make it light. I like the dark one, so I'm going to go back to dark. But this is where you'll go to change your wallpaper. Now, if you don't like the picture in the background, which you'll do, you go to background. And you just select the picture that you want. You choose, and then you can go here, choose whatever picture you want. I don't really have pictures on mine. But yeah, you can do that. Lock screen, change the color of it. Everything is described for you right here at the bottom too, so what features they have. Alright, so let's go to apps. Apps, this is just certain default apps that comes with the computer. You can do customizations with that as well. Not too important. You might want to stay away from that. Accounts. This is pretty important because if you're associated Microsoft account, I always do local accounts. But like, let's say if you need to subscribe for your Microsoft Office or emails and stuff like that, you'll go to the accounts. All right. Time and language. This is where you go to change your time, like your time zone. Make sure I'm in Eastern, so I do Eastern here. I always have this checked off for automatically, so like I don't have to worry about, you know, daylight saving or anything. My computer will definitely just update on its own, you know. But yeah, that'll be in settings. All other stuff, gaming. If you're a gamer, you can go here. You can put your gamer tag and stuff like that. Accessibility. This is if like you want to do magnifying glass, on-screen keyboards, and stuff like that. This is something important. Very Windows update. You want to make sure your computer's up to date in this section right here. All right. Okay, so that was just like a brief discussion. Like, I know it's quick. You guys can leave comments down below. I can make more detailed on certain sections if you like. But let me show you another feature. So what they also changed was the right click. The right click has changed because look how they made the, when you right click on it, this is how they put the words, right? So a lot of people are getting lost. A lot of the stuff is up here, like how you used to see it. This is cut. If you hover over it, it will tell you what it is. Cut, this is copy, this is rename, and this is to delete. So they made them into icons, which I hate because like if you don't know what they are, you're gonna be guessing like, what is this icon? But anyway, they're up there. But what's cool is with the newer updates, they changed it. So if you click more options, it'll give you the old school look. So you'll get your cut, copy, rename, delete, all this other stuff. Send to desktop and stuff like that if you want to pin your quick access. So remember guys, if you right click on your icons, doesn't have to be icons, it can be documents and stuff like that too. But you'll get the little shortcut one this way, or you could do more options right here, and this will show you all your options. A lot of they like to make things cute here. So what, like, let's say if you want to search for your control panel, the old school control panel, you just type control here, and look, it's right there. They kind of have it hidden, right? So what you do, you hit there, and this will bring up your control panel, right? So I can go to users and change my account name here if I want to. I don't like Prime, I'll put whatever, miscellaneous, all right? But then yeah, so I like to navigate through control panel because this is more detailed than what they have, because it's so, what's the word? It's so they made everything so cute and like easy to get to, but it's very difficult if you're so used to like Windows 7 and Windows 10. So if you want to do that, remember you can search for pretty much anything in this search box right here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This will just be part one. I'm gonna come out with a part two probably in a couple of weeks. I'll see how you guys comment about this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. You guys have a good one. Thank you.